You know, the only thing missing from the delight I find in tending to plants is the joy I find in eating sweet treats. What's up, everybody? I'm Merle.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
I am a truly insane but proud plant lady.
I like plants. I like the idea of plants being around. I just want other people to tend to them.
We are here today because Tasty and Wilton have partnered to make some super cool activity kits. We're gonna have fun no matter what.
It's gonna be fun.
Should we see what we're working with?
Let's do it.
All right, ready?
Okay.
1,
2,
3.
Whoa!
It's so cute.
Whoa, that's really cute. I'm a little nervous because I don't do things like this very often, but I have faith in myself.
Let's tear into this thing.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa.
What do we have here?
Frosting, dirt sprinkles.
These fancy schmancy little graham crackers.
Let's do this thing. So, instructions. Step 1, cut cardboard into a strip. When's the last time I've done crafts like this?
Knead or massage the icing pack.
Ooh.
Finesse your icing, Rachel. Become one with the process. Here we go. Oh, we're cruising now,
Here we
baby.
go.
Look at that.
Okay.
Oh
Oh my God, she's so far ahead of me. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas.
She's a pro.
This is a very possible activity to do. As you can witness here, I am just a little bit craftily challenged. Enter boxes come in all shapes and sizes.
The instructions say that it takes 4 hours for this thing to dry.
How are you done right now?
I'm gonna go get some lunch.
Cool.
Good luck.
It's fine. Things are great. We'll see you in 4 hours.
What up, Rach?
Oh, hello.
Have you been here this whole time?
Maybe, but I ended up using a little twine.
Very crafty of
It
you.
is new. This thing could survive a hurricane.
First thing we're gonna do, knead fondant.
Ooh, the fondant.
Ooh, wow, this molds fast.
Okay, so now we roll the fondant with our rolling pin. Look who's in the lead now, Meryl. Whoa! Rolled out. Boom.
Okay, so I'm gonna do 5 of each of these little leaves.
I need my scissors again. Ooh.
Oh.
This is like making Christmas cookies.
Oh, it does remind me of that.
I think this would be fun to do like a little adult crafting circle.
Can you buy this already?
Yeah, it's definitely in stores now.
All right, so we've got our little adorable cutouts. Nice work. So now we get to try the marbling.
Yes, I'm excited.
Start with a 2-to-1 ratio of each green shade. Roll colors into equal length logs.
It's ready to go. Okay.
Oh man, yours looks good.
Ooh. And now I'm gonna fold it one more time.
Now we gotta roll these out into our little succulents. This is
Ooh.
like the most fun part.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for.
Yeah, I know I have. Keep those
Dog
petals
keeps
rolling.
rolling.
Oh, look at this cutie. Okay, so we're flipping her over.
Yeah, so
Very
we flip it
carefully.
over. Surprise.
Surprise.
It's so satisfying. I love it.
Immediately sprinkle icing with brown sprinkles until covered. You got it.
Ooh. This is like that fresh mulch.
Let's see. Position succulents, leaves, and candy rocks as desired.
I have an idea for my garden.
Me too. I want to go for a garden you would like to stroll through after a long day's work.
I want you to look at this garden and think, not a shrub out of line. Oh no, I'm gonna run out of rocks real soon.
That was my concern.
Okay, I'm
too.
changing my plan here. I'm covering up all of the handiwork mishaps I've made.
Oh, I see that.
And
You're done?
I'm done.
Woo! Hands off. We're done. It's over. Rachel, you've got some sprouts coming out of the middle of yours. It looks like you got some newborn propagated succulents. I'm impressed by your knowledge. All right, let's bring in the judges.
Bring them in.
Let's finish this.
Ooh. Look at these little ones. I like that this one has like a little path. It's taking me on a little adventure.
Do you see these little details on the side? Those are so cute.
Yeah. But this one's a little bit more like the road less traveled. Like it's a little, it has some symmetry, but it's also like find your own way.
If I had to pick a winner, it probably would be this one because it's just well thought out. I think the succulents are bunched well together.
I like that one a lot,
but I feel like it's really close to the box, and I like how this person kind of did their own thing.
I like this one because it's like more open. There's like this little kind of creative little fields in there, but I think I'm gonna go with this one just because it's like a little more diversified in its look.
Okay, listen, no matter what happens, we both did a great job, and I had a lot of fun.
Me too.
But who won? I really need to know.
Yeah.
I don't know. Sorry, I'm trying not to rub it in, but I am really excited.
It's okay. They didn't appreciate my little kale plants blooming in the middle. I would do this with my friends. I would buy this for my mom.
I'm positive that I'm gonna buy this for my nieces and nephews for Christmas.
You should totally pick one of these up and make it at home. And if you do, please tag us so we can admire your little succulent gardens.
I will appraise them myself. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry we're insane, but I'm really not that sorry at all.